Hello and welcome to this short video on a Kupo 3-inch braked casters for 7/8 inch round legs, set of 3. These rubber casters are 3 inches in diameter. They have brakes to prevent them from rolling. Just step on the larger bottom tab to activate the brake. To release the brakes, just step on the smaller top tab. These wheels have a 7/8 inch diameter casting designed to accept 7/8 inch round legs. Let's mount these bad boys on our baby kit stand. First, place the nut inside the casting with the blue washer facing up. Then, insert the caster through the slot at the bottom of the casting and turn clockwise until snug. To prevent the caster from spinning, activate the brake by pushing down on the larger tab and turn clockwise until snug. Align the brake pin with the hole on the inside of the leg. Now slide the leg into the casting and use an Allen key to tighten the set screw until snug. Repeat with the other legs. Let the good times roll. Now that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. When it comes to your image making dreams and your grip equipment, at Kupo we like to say, never let go.